Now, friends, it's not the case that every part of the models we've drawn will have sharp edges. Normally, we can try to soften the sharp edges ourselves to create a better edge surface. While doing this, friends, we can use the arch command here, friends. Arch command. It actually allows us to modify the models even more. Let's see how we're going to do it. Now I've entered it. Normally, we need to enter a component and a group to make a drawing. Friends. Look, normally this component, I'm entering it by double-clicking friends. Look, I've exited to the outermost part. I'm exiting. What did we normally do? We had selected all of them. We had created a group. Look, this is a group. I'm double-clicking to enter the group, but to enter the component, I double-click once. I've entered the component by double-clicking twice. Now, the detail I've created here will also reflect here. Look, I want to create a detail here. Now, look, friends, normally when I take the line command, I made a drawing like this. Let's say, look, they're also drawing over there, friends. I came here, I drew it. I've created a detail here. Of course, the detail here was made to this side, but we can bring it in again by mirroring it. There's no problem with that. Now look, normally I brought this to the keypad and left it here. Imagine that there's a detail like this in the bookshelf. I want to manually show you how the corners and edges should be softened. Friends, because after this we will have one more lesson. In that lesson, we will see how to soften the corners and edges using a small tablet, a drawing tablet. We will have a modeling lesson. Now, normally I drew something like this, friends, the arch command over there. These three are the same. Bring one with 3 points and one with a single point. This 2-point arch will do the job for me, friends. The command, now look, normally, to soften any surface, to soften the corner point, friends, when I draw from this point to that point, look, a blue axis is formed here. If you are blue, that's actually mine. It's showing that I cut it properly. Look, I clicked there and left it. Blue here. Look, I came here, I clicked here. Look, I've come here. Look, if it's blue here, so it shows that I cut it evenly. And I clicked and left it, friends. Look, I left it here. So what happened now? I placed the softening points here. And look with your push-pull tool. This is also push-pull with your push-pull tool. It's also doing the cutting, friends. Look, I'm holding this point on this surface, cutting, and I've come this far, and I left it at the part that says 10H. I can do this the same way. I can double-click, and if I double-click, it will automatically cut this part. Look, I'm double-clicking. Did you see that? I have softened this part, friends. I can work on this model even more. How? Look, I took the offset command. I came here with the offset command. Look how much it is. 1 centimeter. I wrote one from the guide. I pressed all around. I've come this far. I double-clicked with my push-pull. Look, it has been cut. Did you see that? It has been cut here too, friends. Like this. I can do such a thing. And since this operation I've done is for this component, it will also affect this part. So I can fly around this part, and the surroundings like this, I can do the same thing here. Look, I've come to this part. I double-clicked, I went in completely. Friends, I took the command. Look, it could be right in the middle, it could be here. I took it from the middle, for example. I took it from here, and I left this on the blue axis. Look, and I took this part. I'm saying it's a farm. It has been cut the same size or in the same way. Look, this has happened here. Now let's fix this if you want. Look, I've come here. Look, I have a mirror command. Look, where is that mirror command? Mirror. It should be right here. It had just arrived, friends. This is my command. Look, mirror flip. I'm clicking here. It asked me, which axis do you want to mirror on? Look, which axis was it, friends? Look, red axis. Look, I'm selecting the red axis. Look, it has come to this side, as you can see. I went back again, and when I duplicated this and brought it to this side, did you see? The process is complete. I've adjusted the direction this way. I can do the corner and edge parts like this with the back command. In the next lesson, we will model a tablet by modeling it into a picture layout and perform that process. Friends,